I have some very angry squirrels yelling at me. I just scared off a bunch of deer. But I did that because they heard a gunshot. And you know what happens when I fire my rifle? I get what I want. And he was way up in this oak tree. There he is. Perfect heart spine shot. Entered through the heart. Actually, you know what? It exited through there. I think I shot him in the head. I can't tell. Got him though. There's one squirrel for the pot. He'll be yummy. I'll show you guys how to preserve the tail if you want to keep a tail as a trophy. With my old, what is this? It's a 22. I remember that. The Marlin something. Glenfield Model 20 or Marlin Model. I can't even tell. It's an old gun. I bought it for $45 years ago. Great rifle. Stock's broken in half. It's ugly as crap, but it shoots straight. Now there are still more squirrels barking at me, and one squirrel is not enough. Oh crap. It's starting to rain. Alright guys. Well, I guess I could have fried squirrel and catfish. Throw everything in one pot and have a big old mess of fried stuff. Alright, I'm going to go get some more squirrels if I can before this rain really cuts loose. Alright, we'll see you guys shortly. Alright guys, we're going to do this. However, this video may get taken down because YouTube does not like gory stuff. So, we're going to start the simple way. There's an easier way to skin a squirrel, by the way. Easiest way, according to my buddy, and I always fail at, is you cut around the tail and up the legs so far, and you hold them by his back feet, stay on tail, and pull up, and they'll come right out. I never have any luck with that. I always rip their tails off. So I do it a different way. And this is a really small squirrel, by the way. This is my homemade knife. I made this specifically for skinning squirrels because I just liked it. Like the better design. All right. So we're going to pinch the skin here. Man, this is a little guy. That's okay. He still tastes good. We're going to pinch the skin on the back, like so. We take our knife, and I really need to put a better point on this one, but we just kind of push on through there, or slice. We're going to slice because this isn't really a pointy knife. Now, what's really weird, these things are incredibly hard to cut through their fur. Their fur is really, this one's fur is a little, their fur is really hard to cut through. I just realized why he's looks patchy. He's got some long fur, some short. It's fall. He's getting his winter coat just now. So he's still got a bit of his summer coat. All right. But I got through the skin right there. You can see that. Now we'll get down in there. I'm working on a high table also. I prefer a lower set table, but my table's a mess. So I'm actually working on a board on my ladder. Now, once you cut through and get it started, there we go. Make sure I didn't just have the knife upside down. You'll create a little flap, a little opening like that. What you want to do, you want to work your fingers in there. Just work them in on either side. Just like that. And what you're going to do then is just pull. And it comes right apart. Now, usually, a lot of times, not usually, they'll just rip all the way down the belly. But sometimes you got to get underneath and work that a little. Which you just work with your finger, tear the membrane out. All right, there we go. Just pull, and just because it's easier, take it with the knife. Now, just like two socks, you could just pull it right on off. Whew. That was a good shot. I would say as quick as he went out, I hit his spine, his heart, everything. He died very quickly. Very humane. I know there's faster ways to skin a squirrel than this, but this is my preferred way, and I don't mind going a little slow. And I don't preserve the skins for anything. Those go to my dogs. They like to eat them. All right. Now, you can just twist the feet off. I'm going to grab my snippers because I don't feel like sitting there twisting. And I'm going to have to work around this because I blew his shoulder out. So that's going to take a little bit of finesse. I really did a number on that shoulder, actually. I'll probably just cut it off. That bullet went through here, through his paw, up through his heart, chest, and spine, and blew out his shoulder. Which means that bullet went think inside. It hit something. Which bullets do? Oh, that was a miss. Oh! Whoops. Sorry, guys. I about knocked you over. And they just peel right. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that part off. There's no point in me eating that. That's destroyed. That's weird. That's just a little 22. I don't know if I'll eat him with catfish or not. I might throw him in the freezer and save him until I get some more. My buddy's wanting to have a fish fry. Or fish. Well, he wants to have fish fry as well, with a squirrel fry. And you just grab the head, twist, pop, drop that on the floor. I'm just going to cut his feet off later. We'll just pull the skin right on off. All right. Now, this was a little boy squirrel. We're going to cut that off. That'll go to the dogs as well. And then we gut by entering right there. Try not to cut our fingers. And very simple. I did not bring a bag in here. That's okay. I have a bucket behind me. And you just reach in, pull it all out. Just perfect. I'll do that a little off camera because it gets kind of even more graphic than it already has been. And it's easier if I get a full bladder to throw it in without popping it. Now, I will get a little more graphic here. You got to get this membrane inside. Pop it open up into the chest cavity, and that's where the lungs and the heart are. Pull them out. Same way, just grab them and pull. Nothing fancy. Now, we will take that tail. I'm really bad about just going to knock that camera over. Oop, normally you hit a joint on the tail, but that's okay. There we go. Face itches. So what you do here, if you wanted to save the tail, this isn't a very fluffy tail. You would simply, where we just remove that piece of bone, cut it off. You know what? I'm not going to press down because I'll knock the camera over again. So we'll just cut it off. Drop that down there. And we take this piece of tail, just like that. No other prep, just tail. And where the bone was, fill it with salt. Just table salt will work. And then you just lay it out somewhere and let it dry, and you'll have a nice preserved squirrel tail. Why do people do that? I don't know. I've seen them hung from all kinds of places. I have one inside of fish that I have stuffed. So, all right. Hopefully you guys are all grossed out and horrified now, and I don't get a strike from YouTube. But I will put a graphic warning on this, so maybe that'll stop them from whining too much. Well, look forward. I got more stuff that I'm doing. I'm not going to cook him just yet, but I will later. I have some other videos I'm working on right now, and I have going fishing tonight. Hopefully, it's supposed to rain, actually, so hopefully I'm going fishing again tonight. And I might just do the catfish fry tonight as well, so we'll see. Anyhow, I'm going to take that squirrel in, clean him up, put him in the freezer. See you guys later. Have a good one.